How to visualize the right way to manifest what you want. In the law of attraction, there are invisible forces shaping our reality each and every day. These forces are always at work, and we each have the power to use them to change our lives for the better. It's all about learning how to direct and use your inner strength to create the life that you've always wanted. Many people don't realize this incredible power that they hold. And without the knowledge of how to use this power, life can sometimes feel like a roller coaster full of ups and downs that you feel you have no control over. But what if you were able to steer that ride and guide it towards the experiences that you choose to have? Your mind, especially the part that you're not always aware of, the subconscious, is like a command center. It's always in touch with these invisible and universal forces. It's ready to take your instructions and make them real, like a personal assistant waiting for your orders. By speaking the language of the subconscious mind, you tell this part of your mind exactly what you want to bring into your life. Every picture that you imagine, every scenario that you dream up, can influence what happens next in your life. This is because your subconscious mind will take these visualized mental movies and your feelings very seriously and as truth. In this video, you will learn to master the art of manifestation with your mind, guiding your thoughts and your emotions to create a life of your own choosing. Imagine, for just a moment, not only possessing the ability to consciously design your future, but learning how to use it correctly to turn your deepest desires into tangible realities. As we dive into the power that you hold to create deliberately, you will discover the true extent of what that means. I will show you how to communicate with the deepest recesses of your mind, using the language of the subconscious to mold your reality, and teach you how to use this extraordinary power of your mind and specific ways of visualizing to align with the universal laws that silently influence our lives by awakening the dormant strength within. You will unlock the magic you have inside of you to steer your journey towards unimagined heights. The universal mind is always awaiting your commands, ready to transform your whispered dreams and wishes into the physical reality of success, happiness, abundance, and fulfillment. The universal mind is always ready to respond to our desires, but without clear and consistent direction, the outcomes can be unpredictable. Tapping into this latent energy effectively means communicating with our minds in the language that they understand. The subconscious mind, acting as a bridge to the universal consciousness, serves as our personal connection to the realms of creation. It relays our desires to the quantum field, creating the blueprint of our reality. By syncing our conscious mind with our subconscious mind using familiar and precise language, we can send clear and purposeful messages that ensure our intentions are fully understood. The images and visions that we entertain, whether intentionally or accidentally, speak volumes to our subconscious mind. This means that our daydreams, especially those filled with, imagine that it's real right now, as if you're living in that future moment. This is the best way to make your daydreams work for you. Also, when you use vivid imagination, feelings play a crucial role for two main reasons. Firstly, your subconscious mind speaks the language of feeling. This is its method for recording life's events. For example, if you've ever bitten into a lemon, your mind instantly recalls the sour taste and the way your face puckered in response. Chances are you prepare yourself for that tangy sensation anytime you see a lemon. This reaction is because your subconscious has created a vivid memory of that experience based on how it made your body feel. This part of your mind maps out all of your experiences through the sensations that it feels through your body. It uses these maps to remind you of how you felt in similar situations in the past, guiding your actions and your reactions. Your emotions and physical sensations are its tools for interpreting the world around you. When you reach a certain emotional state through visualization, your subconscious mind works to create a situation that fits those feelings. It does this to confirm, shape in very intentional ways. Part 1. How to use visualization to create what you want. The clarity of the images that you create in your mind's eye are pivotal to your success when it comes to manifesting deliberately. Regular practice is key, yet the intensity and quality of your visualizations far outweigh the quantity of time spent. When first initiating the process of intentional creation from the realm of imagination, beginning with moderate, low-key desires will allow you to witness firsthand your ability to manifest your reality intentionally. In other words, simplicity in your visualizations will serve as a catalyst for quicker manifestation. Once again, the subconscious mind always assumes that the visions that you frequently entertain are your desires for the future, whether those visions are advantageous to your life or not. By consistently creating these images in your mind through repetition, they transform into deeply held beliefs and expectations, eventually manifesting into your physical reality. As a brief overview to the upcoming techniques that will be given, it's important to note that when you imagine your future, you should picture it as if you're already living there inside of the vision. Try to see everything through your own eyes rather than watching yourself from the outside. If this seems difficult, think back to a moment when you were daydreaming while looking out of a window, lost in thought and not focused on what was happening around you. We often slip into daydreaming while doing everyday things like walking or driving. These moments are perfect chances to think positively and start shaping your future the way you want it. Required feeling states were introduced. Secondly, it's essential to achieve the end result feeling state that you want to experience from the goal that you're manifesting, not the specific details of how it should happen. For example, you might wish to land a specific job, thinking that job will bring you a sense of fulfillment and joy. If you concentrate too much on this one particular job, imagining every detail about it, you might end up disappointed if the reality of that job doesn't match your expectation of happiness. Instead, if you aim for the feeling of, imagine the satisfaction and achievement that you believe this job will give you, you're more likely to find yourself in a situation that genuinely brings you joy, possibly in a role that you hadn't even considered. The key is to aim for the emotion that you wish to experience, letting the universe present the best path to achieve it, rather than insisting on a precise scenario. Moreover, trying to pack too many specifics into our visualizations can sometimes make it more difficult for the subconscious mind to bring that desire to life. Imagine that you're guiding someone to find a treasure without a map, giving them only a long list of detailed instructions to follow. The more specific and complicated your instructions are, the harder it becomes for this person to follow each step correctly and find the treasure. It's like overwhelming them with too many directions at once, which can lead to confusion or mistakes. On the other hand, if you were to focus on the joy of discovering the treasure rather than the exact path to get there, you create a kind of beacon that guides the process more naturally and effortlessly. You can think of it as setting a destination in a GPS app. You don't need to worry about every turn and twist along the way. The app finds the best route for you. In the same way, when you focus on the emotional destination that you wish to reach, the universe navigates the best path for you, bypassing unnecessary complications. The action of visualization is intended to be a fun part of the creation process. When completed accurately, results tend to astonish people. The following example will show you how to make creating your reality easy from the subconscious mind's point of view. If you were to choose to bring more money into your life, the ideal focus would be on a version of yourself that already has money, abundance, and luxury. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and your body. Using your mental imagery point of view, begin to look through the eyes of this abundant you. Envision yourself in the comfortable, expansive living room of your luxurious house, a symbol of your financial success. You reach in your pocket and find a key, sleek and cool to the touch. This is the key to your personal safe filled with wealth. As you walk confidently across the room, feeling your feet moving in front of you one after the other, the plush carpet cushions your steps, a reminder of your prosperity. Approaching the safe, you insert the key and turn it, hearing a soft click. The door swings open to reveal your financial abundance, neatly stacked currency, gleaming gold coins, and sparkling gems. Use your hand in your mind's eye to reach in and touch the treasure, feeling the fabric of the money, the cool metal coins, and the smoothness of the precious stones, all tangible symbols of your success. Imagine the results of your achievements and financial success. Allow yourself to soak in the feelings of pride, gratitude, excitement, peace, and freedom, knowing that your financial well-being is secure. With a deep breath, lock the safe and carry the sense of fulfillment and assurance with you as you open your eyes, ready to continue manifesting abundance in every area of your life. Engage in this style of visualization 3 to 5 times per day, limiting each session to about 5 minutes. This practice differs from guided meditations, where you can afford to deeply relax and immerse fully, allowing your subconscious to absorb the imagery without effort. For these shorter daily visualizations, it's crucial to avoid forcing the process. They are designed to be light and uplifting. Remember, entertaining thoughts like "I need to do this to achieve my goals" counteracts your intentions. Instead, approach these moments with ease and positivity, focusing on the feelings of fulfillment that they bring for the sheer joy of it. Once again, whatever your goal is, imagine that you're already there. See yourself living your dream, whether it's about achieving something or improving. Don't get caught up in the specifics. Trust your mind and the universe to handle all the details for you. Getting rid of negative thoughts and images is just as important as imagining positive outcomes. When you remove beliefs that don't align with your goals, you eliminate the obstacles in your path. This leaves more space in your mind for positive ideas that help you achieve your dreams. We're going to go over some straightforward methods to convince your subconscious mind that it's time to let go of those negative images for good. This helps you stop falling back into old patterns of thinking that you can't do what you want to do. In other words, you're deciding not to be trapped by negativity anymore. The key is to catch these negative thoughts as soon as they pop up and keep dismissing them until they stop showing up altogether. In this way, you're telling your mind to stop bringing these things up that hold you back and recreating them in your life. The following 2 exercises are impactful and imaginative approaches to influencing your subconscious mind in this way. Number 1, the transformative fire. Visualize a powerful cleansing fire in front of you. Its flames are vibrant and inviting, with the ability to assist you in transformation. Picture one of these negative thoughts as it comes up, or a fear, or an image that's been holding you back, and see it as a piece of paper in your hand. You may even want to see yourself writing this limiting belief or image on the paper. Next, in your mind's eye, gently toss it into the fire. Watch as the flames consume it, transforming the negative thought into smoke and ash, releasing it from your existence. As the paper burns, visualize the smoke carrying away all traces of negativity, leaving behind a clear, purified space in your mind. Feel the warmth of the fire, not just externally but internally, as it burns away the ties to past limitations. With each negative thought that you release into the fire, feel lighter, freer, and more open to positive possibilities. Exercise 2 is the garden of positivity. Imagine yourself walking into a lush, vibrant garden that represents your mind. In this garden, negative thoughts and images are like weeds that have sprouted among the flowers and the plants, which symbolize your positive goals and dreams. In your hands, you have a magical gardening tool. This tool represents your conscious effort to remove negativity. Use your mind to begin walking around your garden, spotting the weeds of negative thoughts and images. With each weed that you find, use your tool to gently remove it from the ground, making sure to get the roots so that it won't grow back. After removing the weeds, the negative thoughts and images from your garden, imagine placing them into a compost pile. This compost pile transforms negatives into positives. As these weeds break down, they become nutrient-rich soil that helps new positive plants grow stronger. As you clear each weed, replace it with a plant or a flower that represents something positive that you want to grow in its place. This could be confidence, love, abundance, success, or any other positive outcome that you desire. Plant these with intention, watering them with your hopes and nurturing them with your attention. Feel the beauty and tranquility of your garden increasing as you remove all of the weeds and make space for new growth. The reality you experience isn't separate from you, it's a part of you, happening inside your mind. You're not just a bystander in your life, you're actively shaping it in all moments with your thoughts and your beliefs. What we see as reality is really just what we believe to be true. The only possibility for something to be discovered as reality is believing in its existence. This means you can directly influence your life by changing what you believe, using your imagination to reshape your subconscious mind. And once again, this is accomplished with intentional impressions that are combined with matched feeling states. Our minds are not simply observers of reality, but powerful creators capable of shaping our experience of the world. So, the key to changing your life is first changing yourself and your beliefs. By changing the mental habits that we carry, the world around us changes too. With every shift in your thinking, you alter the world around you. It all starts with believing the possibility of your dreams and taking conscious control of your mind.